And now we have it in a different way. First of all, good morning. This is Dave with YouTube, bringing you another day of construction zone safety. We're here to protect the workers, making sure that we have a controlled freeway in order for them to be able to work more safely, be able to come home every night. This day we have it more controlled now. We have flagmen in every intersection. Flagmen. We have one over there. We got another one by the entrance of a truck processing plant, where they're loaded up with conditioned sand that's used for construction purposes. And then we got the other flagman at the other side of the freeway. It's about another 2 more miles. So no unescorted truck should be out in the news. Everything has to have under supervision of the Texas Department of Highways. It's got to be supervised. And we have these 18-wheelers escorted out of the control zone, the construction zone. Why? Because we have loaders like this one, loaders like these, clearing out the freeways, clearing out the sand. It's required for the safety of the drivers, the safety of the people that are passing by through here. It's required to have this sand out of the way so that they don't lose control of the vehicle. That's what we're here. We're here to make sure that the construction workers are safe, and we're able to bring the traffic to a slow mode, to something reasonable. We don't expect them to stop and wait for the workers to finish their work. They can continue on at a safe speed and making sure that they're paying attention and not texting and driving. Like what statistics have shown, most fatal cases have occurred when the driver is not paying attention. He's texting, he's on the phone, he's doing something other than driving and paying attention. The driver here that pretty much he evaded the construction zone area, and let's see, hold on a minute here. He went in, he bypassed the flagman, and the guy in the van, he's on camera, so that's fine. What's happening is that I need to stop and remind him that this is a controlled zone, and if I were to give him a ticket, it's insurance premium. Huh?
Why didn't he stop?
He's denying that the flagman did not stop him.
He's there.
But he's on camera, so it's regardless. Yeah. Joel.
Sí.
Joel Alexander Cruz Pérez.
Sí.
¿Tantos apellidos?
Sí.
¿De dónde es usted?
De Cuba.
De Cuba.
Carmen de aquí, de Carmen.
Ya, okay, ya, pero originalmente es de Cuba.
Sí, de Cuba.
Ok. Su acento, tengo un cuñado que también es el mismo acento.
Sí.
Se lo va a registrar, va a ser una notificación como un warning, pero se va a registrar en las computadoras del estado. Ellos te tienen en cámara, en donde trataron de pararte y tú nomás le sacaste la vuelta.
No, déjeme hablar, mire.
Eso es lo que dice la cámara.
Él mire, tenía el gesto y yo pasé, pero
no
si él
te
me
dijo,
para.
no te dijo, hey,
No.
párate,
No,
no.
no, no. Se lo juro, mire.
Voy a ver la cámara yo ahorita. Mira.
Mire para que vea que yo no, si me para, como yo no le voy a parar si yo.
Esta dirección todavía es correcta.
¿Eh?
Esta dirección todavía es correcta.
Sí, sí.
Porque si acaso vemos que el problema no era con ellos y era con usted, se le va a mandar una boleta de un tiquete en donde va a tener que ir con un juez de paz. Y porque esta área aquí está controlado por causa de la zona de construcción y es un delito muy grave.
Sí.
Porque,
No es cosa, es que no sabemos mucho el inglés. ¿Entiendes?
yo entiendo, pero al momento que alguien te trate de señalar,
Es que
párate
no
porque
nos hizo.
está controlado esta área.
Sí, está bien. Entonces por aquí no puedo circular ahora.
Sí puedes circular, pero tienes que obedecer las órdenes que diga el flag man.
Disculpe, pero es que no me paró. Si él me para, nosotros pensamos
Por eso lo estoy parando yo aquí.
como que están construyendo la carretera.
Estamos reconstruyendo, sí, estamos terminando la carretera.
Él está de espalda, con el capó levantado de la troca.
Yo voy a ver las cámaras, pero si veo yo que es culpa de él, para nada se va a hacer cargos contra usted.
Bueno.
Él está, mira, levantando el de la troca. Levantando.
Estaba como un poco de agua.
Ajá. Okay. Mira, por lo tanto,
Ahora
me va a dirigir usted porque como no trae un escort, usted me van a hacer, se van a ir detrás de mí para que yo los siga para afuera de la construcción. Ok. As our foreman, he's inside the Caterpillar. Does a real good job. Look at that. That Caterpillar can go right to stand and shouldn't have any problem. Look at that. Very nice. Very nice work.